The grill came in from BMW. Ordered it 3 weeks ago, and it came in this box right here. And got the Shadowline Grille. So I'm gonna remove this here. As you can see, I mean, I've already started removing this, but it's basically the same as the 2020s. I think it's 2020 to 2022s. The grill is the same way you pop them out. So you remove the weather stripping, and then you pop out 4 little clips like this. And then you just slide it. You pull this up and then you slide these out like that. So, and then you just set these away from there. And then there's a torque screw right here. I mean, if you watch Kies Motorsports, he shows you how to remove it, but that's how you remove the front grille, is push these little tabs in and then slowly pry them out and then install a new one. But just a second. Okay, so here's the Shadowline Grille. I'm gonna coat this first with CarPro Deluxe and Gliss before I install it. This is a T30 Torx. Get this removed. And then we're just gonna slowly pop these out. So I'll show you guys whenever I get it popped out. Okay, I got it removed. It took a little prying, but got it carefully removed. You can see all the clips. The bottom ones are really easy, but the top ones, you gotta be careful with those. But I'm gonna go ahead and coat this, and then once it's done, I'll install it, and then I'm gonna coat this too. All right, guys. So I got the grill coated with Deluxe and Gliss. But these things are a little pain in the butt. Got it all coated, so I'm gonna install it on the car, and we'll see you when it's on the car. All right, there you go. Got the Shadowline Grille installed and coated. It looks way better now. All right, guys, so it's the next day. As you can see, you got the grill installed, the Shadowline Grille, and it looks way better than the other one. I had that BMW order it from Germany, and it took about 3 weeks to get in, but way better. The next, I'm just still waiting for the IND painted badges to come in, as well as the floating center caps that's painted as well. And then the spoiler, as you can see, took it off because it didn't fit right. So I got a refund and order from a different company, and we'll get that installed. Should be in anytime soon. I'll do a video on the spoiler install probably. But thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned.